Okay, welcome back, guys. In today's video, I got something really cool. Be sure, before I begin, be sure to like and subscribe. If you want to get past the intro, you can click here. Okay, cool. And yeah, so today's video is sponsored by Lion Safety Matches. My manager, he was really trying hard for me to get the sponsor. It's really like tricky. We had another sponsor, like some back-end company. It was like Google Inc. or something. That was stupid. So we decided to go with Lion, because we really wanted to create a spark of creativity in everyone. Light up a scave if you want to. Because if that's creative for you, that's good. So in this whole creativity thing, I have an announcement to make. So as you all know, it's been weeks and weeks of me just reviewing random things. This fan, for example, it was difficult. But finally my parents came through and we got the A30S. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you it was gonna come, and here it is. So before we get into opening it, let's talk about some specs. Okay, so I'm just gonna read them off here. It's 32 gigabytes of memory, 3 gigabytes of RAM. We have our main camera.
Bring my towel. I'm in the bathroom.
Main camera with 25 megapixels, and that's triple camera actually. So you're getting 3 times the value. You're getting 3 times the photos. Every single time you take a photo, it takes 3 photos. That's why there's 3 cameras, obviously. We got some LED flash, panorama. I think it's pronounced panorama. So you can actually spread Rama on top of this phone, and it will still take the photo clearly. Okay. We got loudspeaker. We got a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you don't need to buy the AirPods. We got you. And obviously, charging is fast charging, 15 watts. But okay, we're running out of time. Let's just get into this, okay? Unboxing for the first time, the A30S Special Edition with, as you can see here, this man right here, AKA. Okay, let's go. So it looks like a really tricky way to open, but kind of like satisfying. Okay, that's great. Okay. Oh, as soon as you open it, you can just see quality earphones. I did say there's a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, but you get wireless. That's dope. That's really dope. That looks dope. Okay. And then obviously classic charging cable. It did say Type-C charging, but we get it Lightning, so that's cool. You get a Lightning charger, that's cool. You can charge your iPhone while you look at this phone and use it. So let's get into it. Just obviously phone case. I don't know where the phone is because right now, okay, the phone cover, always good touch. That's why I appreciate buying Samsungs and Huawei's. It's that attention to detail. Apple would have sold this separately for like $20 or something. Okay, and okay, is this some sort of joke? Where's the Ma? Oh, he's doing. Oh! Okay, so I guess this is what it looks like. I guess it's just nanotechnology that Samsung has put together. It says in the box that it's a microphone. So you can just look at it right there. It's quite small, quite compact, but I think it's the same phone. I didn't see any pictures on the website, so This must be the phone. So we're gonna go right ahead and charge it. Cool, got a charger right here. Can't obviously use the charger they gave because that's the lightning. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just charge it up right there. Should spark to life. This is beautiful. I'm still looking for the headphone jack, but can't really see it. It's probably one of those internal headphone jack type things. While that's charging up, let's go ahead and actually go into the phone. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna open this thing up. Quite simple. Most new phones are able to open up. It's just like no one really knows how to. But obviously on this channel, we know how to do things like that. So classic Samsung battery, as you can see, standard. That's pretty cool. And we get into this phone. Slots for SIM cards. Looks pretty good. Now we're gonna put it up to a performance test. They don't really need a battery. It's just extra. So it has a built-in battery. Obviously, it should turn on anyways. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So tune in for part 2 to find out more about how this phone functions against the iPad. Okay. Thank you. Oh, nearly forgot. So to end off, Lion has obviously sponsored us, and they've asked us, to do the classic Lion test. All of the YouTubers are doing it. We're not just doing it to follow them. We were the channel that started this. So we're just going to take this pack of Lion right here, and we're going to just start the test. So the Lion test, as like patented by this channel, basically, is it's a simple test. You just, okay, yeah. You just get a Lion. This is called a Lion, by the way. And you just go ahead and take one of these. It's not just for this, it's just for